Hey everyone, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to be sharing some great ways to get free clothes from Shein guys. So whether you are looking to get more value from your shopping or you just love scoring a good deal guys, there are a few legit strategies to get free Shein clothing. So guys, let's jump straight in guys. First up is the Shein trial center. So this is probably the easiest way to get free clothes from Shein. Here's how it works, guys. So you go to Shein's website, right, or app, and then just search for the free trial center, usually found under the Me or Profile section. And you can just search this on Google as well. You'll see basically once you come to this page, you'll see a list of available items, for free trials, ranging from tops, dresses, accessories, and more, guys. Just choose up to 3 items per week to apply for, and Shein basically selects winners randomly, and if you're chosen, they will ship the item to you for free, guys. All you have to do is leave a review once you receive it. Now, keep in mind there are limited spots and lots of people are applying, so it can be competitive, but with consistency and applying every single week, guys, your chances of getting selected increase. Next, guys, let's talk about Shein's point system, okay? You can use points like cash or reduce or, even cover the cost of your order. Here's how it works, guys. Here's how you can earn a point. So you do daily check-ins, right? Just open the app daily and check in for points. These guys, these add up over time, okay? These actually add up over time. And then the other option you can do is order reviews. So after purchasing something, review the item with details and photos. Shein will reward you with points for helpful reviews. And another thing, guys, you can do is basically participating in events, guys. Shein often has events or games on the app where you can win points. It's fun, easy, and a way to add up points without spending money. Using these points, guys, you can pay down the cost of your order and sometimes even cover it completely if you have saved enough. The other option, guys, you can use is another method is the Shein gift card and referrals, guys. Okay, so if you refer friends or family to Shein, right? You can earn credits when they make a purchase through your unique referral link. This is how it works, guys. You just go to the Shein referral program on the Shein app or website, and then you just grab your referral link, just share it with your friends on social media or wherever you think people might be interested. Once they make a qualifying purchase, you will get credits that can be used just like cash, guys. It's a great way to stack up credit if you have a few people who love to shop. Another option, guys, okay, there's more options. There's actually 5 options. So this is the fourth option. For those of you who are active on social media, guys, right? Shein also has an influencer program. You don't need to be a mega influencer. Sometimes, even smaller accounts get accepted. So through this program, Shein will send you, often send you free clothing in exchange for posting on social media. Here's what you do, guys. So you just want to sign up for Shein's influencer program through their website under their partnership section. And if accepted, they will send you clothes to try on and a review, and you just post about it online. It's a great way to get free clothes, especially if you're already active on Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube, guys. And then the last and final option, guys, is the Shein flash sales and special offers. Finally, guys, you can check out, Shein's flash sales and special promotions. Sometimes they offer things like buy one get one free offers, right? And then or other massive discounts, guys. So where if you use points or referral credits, you end up paying close to nothing, guys. You can combine these with the points you have saved, and you can snag some free or super discounted items, guys. And there you have it, guys. Those are the top ways to get free or heavily discounted clothes from Shein, from the free trial center to earning points and using referrals. There's no shortage of ways to save, guys. I hope you find these tips helpful. And if you try any of these methods, let me know in the comments.